Guys, ready for some cold starts? We'll turn up the volume. To start the car with the valves open, we're going to press the start button without your foot on the brake or the clutch. And then that lights up the screen. And we're going to change the throttle setting from efficient to sport. So you can see there under the tach, it's set at efficient. And then, so I'll press this button here to change it to sport. Then I got to put my foot on the gas until we hear it click. Put my foot on the brake and clutch and fire it up. Why is the cold start so loud in an M3? Well, what they did was they added a secondary air pump, the exhaust manifold. That helps heat up the catalytic converters faster to reduce the emissions of unburnt fuel and carbon monoxide. So the extra heat is generated from the 1.21 gigawatts. That extra heat is generated from the afterburn of the hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide.